Market update on the 12th. So pretty choppy day. You would expect more volatility with the FOMC meeting today, but it looks like they're going to save that for tomorrow for the CPI reading. And from the very beginning, we did gap down at the very beginning. I missed an opportunity to get out of the puts. I could have reloaded up here, but I have hedges both ways, so it wasn't that big of a deal. But pretty much we stayed within like a $3 range the whole day, did not move. At the end, we got a little bit of a sell-off. And if you watch my video from last night, you'll know that I have this as A, B, 1, 2, 3. And then this kind of retraced a little bit farther than you wanted to. Came all the way back to the point, past the 0.61 fib, but did not go into the first wave. And so that's fine. But what is this is the question. I see this as ABCA. And then I see this as a B wave right here. So basically I see this as a triangle. I see this as ABC, same thing. ABC. And ABC. And if you know anything about triangles with Elliott wave, or in general, we came outside of it a little bit on this little print right here, but it's not a big deal. And then this is pretty standard. So what I see this as is A, B, C, D, E, fourth wave. And then as you can see, it worked out perfectly. If you go down to lower time frames, on the 1 minute time frame, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I see that as a first wave. And then a ABC second wave. And then currently, I see us still with more room to go down. And it looks like we're only in the third wave of the third wave. So based on that, I think that tomorrow should be pretty bearish to start off the day. I don't know how much it's going to fall, and it's really hard to predict the CPI, but based on this move right here, it looks impulsive, but it does need to get outside this parallel line, and that would be the overall third wave. We'd bounce and then go down a little bit more to somewhere in this area. I have a box here. This is the 1.23 fib of this A wave. So A, and then this is AB, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B. So this would end up being the overall B wave. And then we would get a move higher. So this would actually end up being ABC. So ABC for the second wave overall. Or like I said in the past videos, if we zoom out here, past videos, this still could be A, B, and then we get a C wave up to 390. So I just see us completing the B wave tomorrow in the morning, regardless of the CPI print, I guess. So maybe it'll be a little bit bearish, and we complete this down here, and then we reverse higher. So I think that it's going to be an unexpected, kind of like a bear trap tomorrow. It's going to be down at the very beginning, in between 354.19 all the way to 355.71, somewhere in this range. And then I think we're going to go higher into the end of the week. So that must mean that it's going to be, I would imagine it comes in line with expectations. I think the expectations are 8.1%. So if I had to guess, I would say that it's most likely we hit it right on the mark. We hit 8.1%. Market doesn't know what it wants to do. come down here in a bearish move, and then we move higher as the market sees that inflation could be slowing down, and then who knows after that. Could be the second wave, or it could be the start of a rally higher to 380 or 390. So that's pretty much what I see on the overall market. Downside in the beginning, and then a bounce. On the VIX, VIX was pretty much flat, just like with the market. Same thing, just looking for a break above 34.87. And if it is a B wave, we'd be expecting a move down here to 24 or 27. I've been repeating myself a lot in the videos because we haven't got that much movement. This last couple of weeks has just been kind of choppy, and so the VIX has kind of been a decent range. It's been down here at 29, I guess. Anyway, I guess in summary, just look for a bearish move down and then a move higher based on the chart. Obviously, anything can happen, and this can get invalidated pretty easily. If we get a CPI print that is bullish, so we get like an 8.0%, then I would expect a move higher immediately, and we would just call this invalidated. But right in the chart, it looks bearish. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully you're hedged both ways. You have some protection if it comes bearish, and you're still long as well, and then know where to get out. My puts, I'd probably take some profit right in here based on what I think. But if it does come in bearish and we come down here, then I'll have to think twice about that, because that would mean we could keep on going even farther down. So I'll leave the key takeaways in the description, but pretty flat day. Pretty much just waiting for tomorrow morning, so there isn't very much more to say about it. But I'll do a market update probably during the day tomorrow, because I'm sure it's going to be super volatile, and we'll see how right this ends up being. Move down and then move higher. I will get with you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.